all y'all that our homegrown production is over with, that me and my nigga Wayne one still on this, nigga, we still got that shit you niggas wish you had. Check this shit out right here. Bar none, no mercy. We pray on the weak. This is a grown man's game, and we playing for keeps. All you niggas straight pussy. You are what you eat. Throwing insulin shots at you cause I know that you sweet. Underneath your fake Gucci lies the heart of a coward. Gangsta swag my ass. You niggas mimicking ours. I'm well known in my city. Keep it thorough with mine. You well known with the faggots taking shots from behind. You on the grind. Fool, you ain't no motherfucking hustler, cupcake bubbler, net worth doubler, tricking off your money. You's a motherfucking customer. She called me daddy and your dumb ass is loving her. Dice game tumbler, shaking you squares. I'm on my elevator shit. I'm too high for the stairs. You in the nosebleed squinting playing musical chairs while I'm courtside chilling with the billionaires. How you living? I'm good, my nigga. I'm living lavish. Custom-made fabric. Ferragamo glasses. I'm like the summer to you youngsters. You are all classes. Speaking Spanish, knowing trying to take your rites of passage. Silly bastards. Ought to know I'm not the average. I'll take your best shot, smash, then ball and trash it. You the definition of a nigga getting his ass kicked. My shit is classic. Mint still wrapped in plastic. Dishing out lashes. Whip game like I'm cooking cane. Kill the competition. Call me Sugar Shane. I leave them shook and shame ducking for cover. www.howwestopthismotherfucker. There ain't no answer, brother. You gotta take this shit. Bars and hooks, jail bait, this is basic shit, nigga. Don't you ever dare compare to this rare, authentic masterpiece of shit you writing there. This ain't fair. Talking about you beast mode with it. What's a beast to a hunter but a target, little nigga? I'm the hardest little nigga taking aim at you whack rappers. Slash actor, slash comic, slash non-factors. The tongue tacklers not having it. Your shit's embarrassing. You ain't worth a fuck. You should really practice abstinence. I'm super serious with it, fierce with it. Call me the jeweler. The way I'm piercing ears with it. Get it? This shit is spitting at its finest. Witness it is timeless. Pay homage to your highness, nigga, motherfucker. Shout out to my nigga Wayne, Freaky T, Mark Will, everything bezel out this motherfucker. Bueller, what's happening this motherfucker? My nigga Bell still going to the moon. And one more shout out to my nigga Big Crit doing this thing. Y'all better get on that, boy. Nigga, how this fish grease, motherfucker. Yeah.